What's up guys, Cody here, and I hope you guys enjoyed that animation. That was a crazy cool project. I think we worked on 2 months now, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button down below. Let me know your favorite character of Five Nights at Freddy's, because guys, I would just want to do more of these projects. This script I wrote, it took me about a full week to write it. It was about like 10-page script. It was ridiculous. And yeah guys, I just blown away. The audio, the animation, it came out perfect. So I just want to thank everyone that participated in this project. We had John Carute from MC Gnome who did the animation. Then we had Justin Smith who did the audio. And then I wrote the script. And it just came together perfectly. Now to celebrate this guys, we had a poster made. If you guys want to check it out, I think I have a picture here or there. I don't know. Check it out because we only have 1,000 left. And we have some signed signatures on there from Joe and I. And you guys will honestly love the poster. It came out really cool. Unsquareable made them, and I think I got a few at home already printed out. I'm actually on vacation in Florida, so we'll be seeing those pretty soon. Maybe I'll have like a picture on Instagram or something for you guys to look at. So be sure to check those out guys. Smash that like button for more of these, because an 8-minute animation, that was insane to pull off in the time we did. And we look to do more of these guys. We just need your support on iTunes. So everybody unite, smash that like button. All you guys can unite. Get your grandmas back in here, because they like the parodies, so they gotta like all these animations now. But yeah guys, we'll be back soon with another animation very soon. It's gonna be a cool one. It's gonna involve Clash of Clans. So be on the lookout for that guys. Thanks for watching.